Today we are making simple bow. Make a slip knot. Start with chain 4. Now insert your hook into second stitch. Again insert your hook into third stitch. Again insert your hook into fourth stitch. You have 4 loops in your book. Use thumb to hold the loop tightly. Then take off your hook from loop. Now pull the yarn through first loop. Insert the hook in second loop and insert the hook in the third loop. Insert the hook in the fourth loop. Again you have 4 loops. Repeat the previous process till the end.